Hello, good morning everyone. This presentation is based on geometric mean, harmonic mean. As I completed in the last class, three the measures of central tendency major, namely arithmetic mean, median and mode. All different kinds of solutions are over in case of arithmetic mean, median and mode. Now the fourth method of measures of central tendency and fifth method of measures of central tendency, as you are seeing now, that is first this fourth one is this one, the fourth one is geometric mean, then fifth one is harmonic mean. So these are the fourth and fifth one of your value. Clear? So in this presentation we will check that fourth and fifth the mean. What is geometric mean? If you read here, geometric mean is the, what is geometric mean? Geometric mean is defined as nth root of the product of the n items. Whatever the items are given, its nth root, right? The nth root of the given number of n items, its product is known as geometric mean. If they are asking you an exam 2 marks question, you should write the same. What is geometric mean? Geometric mean is defined as the nth root of the product of n items. Then what is the formula for that? This was the discrete series formula. This formula is discrete series and this formula, and this formula is continuous series. What is discrete series formula? Geometric mean equal to nt log into summation of f log x divided by n. Continuous series or group data, nt log equal to summation of f log m divided by n. This was the formula. Then move to the next one. Harmonic mean now. What is harmonic mean? Harmonic mean is the reciprocal value of the arithmetic mean, that is arithmetic average, of the reciprocal values of the various items in the variable. Whatever various items are there, it's a reciprocal value of the by using the arithmetic mean. Simple, it is the arithmetic mean of the reciprocal values of the variable. It was the harmonic mean. So I will repeat you once again. Harmonic mean means what? It is the average of the reciprocal values of the various items given or various variable or various items in the variable. That you need to write the meaning like this. For this, what you will have the formula for discrete or the ungrouped data? HM. HM means what? HM means harmonic mean. Here GM means which one? Geometric mean. HM equal to harmonic mean. Harmonic mean equal to n divided by summation of f into 1 by x. What is a group data or continuous series? Harmonic mean equal to n divided by summation of f into 1 by m. The difference is here is x is taken divided by 1 by x is there, here 1 by m. That is the simple difference between these two formulas. Harmonic mean. Now we will take the example for one by one. So I will take you the first example for this formula. Which formula? Anti-logarithm, the ungrouped data geometric mean example, right? So I will take first this example. I will take this example question 1 now. Then we will go for the one by one. So I will give you example. Which one? This one. I hope that this question is that you have to identify. That is your question may be your question number, that is example, that you continue your question number. So I think I left it here with you only. I think I forgot it to tell the number. So this was the number that you have to write, right? So calculate the only harmonic mean, geometric mean. Which case? In case of this formula, by using this formula. So I am using this formula. This formula is what? Discrete series formula. So the x is like this. Your question x is like this. X 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Frequencies are like this. 4, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. Right? The solution is like this. The solution, I will take the same number now. X 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then what is your frequency? Your frequencies are like this. Just check the frequencies here. Frequency. So the frequencies are same now. Same frequency you have to take care of this number to this number. The same frequencies are here. And this question number is 37. 36 question is over. 37 question I'm running now. Now what you have to find now? Use this formula. The formula is f log x. How to find the f log x? First you have to find log x first. What you have to find log x. How the log x is computed? X numbers from here to here. So 10 means 2 digits. 10 means 2 digits. 2 digits means minus 1. 1. How? 10 means 2 place number. 10 is 2 place number. 100 means 3 place number. Example 2 means 1 place number. 5 means 1 place number, like that. So 10 means 2 place number. 2 places are there in 10. If it is example 125, then it is a 3 place number. 3 place minus 1 is 2, like that. So 3 place number, 3 place minus 1, 1. Then after that, this was an example, 2 place number, 2 place minus 1 is 1. 1, then point. Then you find the log table now. What to find log table? Log table is computed like this. This was your log table. Just I am showing you the log table. Just all you be with the line. See, the log table is like this. What you have to find out? 10 0, because the question is 10. Then after that no number is there. So 10 0 you have to check. 10 0. How much number is there? 0 is the value. So 1.00, 1.00. So it was Excel sheet. It was comes 10.00 means what? It was 1 only. Next 20. 20 means 2 place. 2 place number minus 1 is 1. Right? 1 point. You check the table now. Which one? The table. Right? The table is like this. 20 0 now. 20 0. 20 0 number is how much here? 3010. 3010. 3010. Next 30. 30 means the 2 place minus 1, 1. 1 point. You find it now. The table is like this. 30 0. What is your 30 0 number? You just find it here now. 30 and 0. How much? 30 0 is 4771. 4771. Then 40 0 means, so 40 means the 2 place. 2 place minus 1 is 1. Then 40 0 you have to find. 40 0 is like this. 40 0 is this 0 number value. This the entire area is 0 number value. 6021. 6021. 50 means 1 point. Take the 0 value, 0 side. 0 side is 6990. 6990. So these are the value. Remember how many places are here? 2 places minus 1 is 1. So 1, then after that you find the table, log table, and write the 0. After the point, example, I will give you one more example. 20 means 2 place number minus 1, 1. Then you check the 20 0 number. If example 125 is the value, then how to check this log table? So 125 means 3 place number minus 1, 2 point. Then you check the 125 here now. So how to find the 125? 125 means 12 and 5 here. How much? The 12, just boom with the same line. 12, then 5. How much is the 5 value here now? 12 5 is 0969. That number you have to write here. 0969. Like this you have to find the number. I will give one more example. If it is 1453, then this was the 4 place number minus 1, 3 point. 1453. How to find the table? 1453. You check the table now. 1453. 14 here. See, check 14 here. Then 5 here. So 145 is how much? 1614 and 3. 3 mean difference how much here? 9. So add 1614 plus 3 is 9 here. So 1614 plus 9. How much? 1614 plus plus 9 for this, plus 9. What is the total? The total is 1623, that you have to write 0.1623. So this was the example that I given you example. Based on this you have to find. Now move to the question now. Log x computed. Now the formula is what? F log x. So f log x, right? F log x, that you have to find. Clear? So f log x, that you have to find. How? This one. See, f is 4 into log x is 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. Like that, 1 into 2 into this number, you will get this number, right? So 2 into 1.301 is this one. Like that, you multiply f into log x, you will get this one, and the total is 19.1404. The formula is this one. Then how to use this formula? Then I will show you now, right? So the NT log, right? Summation of f log x, this number f log x. How much is f log x? 19.1407 divided by, what is n? N is the total of this frequency, right? Frequency total. I will show you now. Total frequency is the frequency total. This total you have to find. The total frequency is 14, right? What is the total number? 14. So write the 14 here. Write 14. And what is the answer? So answer is like this. NT log of what you have to find? Your NT log of equal to NT log of which number? NT log of the number comes like this. You have to divide this number 19. See, 19.1407 divided by 14. So you will get NT log of this number. NT log of this number you have to find now. Which number? 4 digits we need. I just deleted the remaining number. 13672. Say 1372 is the value of NT log. So NT log value of this. Now you have to find that NT log of this number. How to find the NT log? NT log can be seen the fraction number, not the 1. This after the 1.32, this number you have to check. I will show you here now. 1.3672. You have to check this number in the NT log. Which number? You need to check this number. The 1 is not to be verified. You need to check the 1362. After the point, whatever the number is there, that number you have to check the NT log. See, the NT log is here now. After log, NT log table is there. I will send this table to all of you just to verify this one. So 13. What is the answer for this? 1372 you have to find. 1372. 13 here point. See, point 13. 7 is here. 0.137. 7 is 1371 and 1372 means two values how much here? 1. So 1371 plus 1. 1372. See, 1372, it comes same number. See, the value comes 13. I'll show you once again. 137 is here, then plus 1. So we'll get 1371 plus 1. 1372. So 1372. The answer is 1372. Then how to find this one now? 1372 comes. Now 1372 means, see, this was the answer. Now the value is 1 here, the first number now. We checked that this number. What about this left number now? Left number is 1. Whatever this number comes here 1, for that you have to add 1. So here 1 is there exactly. 1 plus 1 equal to how much? Equal to 2. If it is example, this one number is instead of one number, if it is example, if it is 2, then you have to 2 plus 1. The answer is 3. Like that. Why this number 1 is added here now for this number? Because when you are finding the log, you subtracted 1 here now. So 10 means 2 plus 1 is 1, 20 means 2 plus 1 is 1, like that. One number is subtracted there, that same number is added lastly here. So what actually value? 1, this was 1 plus 1. The 1 plus 1 equal to how much? So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 2 equal to, what you need to do now, this was the answer after the 2 place point here now. So after the 2 place point means like this, place 1, place 2, left to right, remember, place 1, place 2, after 2 place. Why it is 2 place? Because it comes here 2. If it is 3 comes here means then 2 plus 1 3, then your value is like this 1 2 3. After the 7 you have to put the point. But for this question 13.72 is the answer. I hope that this solution is clear to each one of you. Now after this I will give you the another question that is based on the calculations. I think it is clear to each one of you. Then you write this one and send the answer to me. This was based on geometric mean. Remember, geometric mean for ungrouped data, right? Thank you.